Hello, I'm in a 2018 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your display language between English, Spanish, French, or Korean. So with the vehicle on and display on, which this currently is, we'll go to your setup, which you could also go to from this button, and then we'll scroll over to language. And then from here, English, French, Spanish, or Korean. Let's say we want Spanish, we'll select that, and it just auto updates everything. So there's no other buttons or anything you need to click to save that. And I speak English, so I'll show you how to get through back to English. So I'm going to setup, and then idioma, and then here to English. And then again, it'll just auto update and save on its own. So nothing else you need to do. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.